unboxing Flipkart Diwali sale. I just want to Asus sexy the flagship killer phone is Lenovo 35 and available on Flipkart. Before unboxing the video, please like and rate which one is your please say this video. Don't forget to check out the video. but I can't use the too much 4K video use, a little bit hitting their place. The camera mechanism, I don't know anything update come, then the problem will be solved, because I saw the YouTube and too many YouTubers say me had little bit hitting issue there. All the phone maybe has some updates come there and solve the problem. But this phone is very very good, guys. But because I used before Asus Zenfone 5Z, I'm missing the phone. That's why they purchased this one, Asus 6Z. The application very very fast open because of Snapdragon 845. This is the main. See the pure Android experience you get. Pure Android experience. The main reason, no anything lag, no anything problem. Okay guys, they have next review. I'll give you the full camera, video, everything. I'll give you the next review to Asus Zenfone, not Zenfone, this one, sorry for guys. Asus only 6Z. In India Asus 6Z, out of the India Asus Zenfone 6Z. They have different this one. See the packaging, the Flipkart, only the top cover have only mobile pack. Seal also broken. I don't know Flipkart why it is doing. Okay guys, buy and share this video. I check this one. I have 18-watt charger also. This one I get this one. This one good for Asus. Okay guys, buy and share this video and like this video and more video like this unboxing. Check in the top I button for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video. In the comments, please comment in the comment section. I have good offer to buy this one. Okay guys, buy and share this video.